Hi guys, Autoresponder here. So let's quickly talk about the email responder. How you're going to use it, what it's for, and how to go and set up your sequences. So let's get started. So basically you're going to have your traffic running into your opt-in page, and then from your opt-in page it's going to fall into your autoresponder. So here we have your opt-in. And then your email address or contact information is going to fall into the autoresponder. Then the first thing that's going to happen is a welcome email is going to go out. So this is going to be a very basic email, no selling in it, just saying something like, welcome to Vessel Media, and make sure to go and check out a bit more of our social media if you want to get more free content and value, and so on. Just something really simple that just says, welcome to the new lead. Okay, so then the next day, you send out your first strategy email. So basically it's going to be value. So the sequence that we're going to use, it's going to be value, sales email. Okay, so 2 value emails and then 1 sales email. You guys will see now how you to implement it here. So the first one goes out, it's a value email. So value email is an article or something, or you can put a link to a YouTube video in there where you're just giving value to people. No selling, just giving value. After this one, email number 2 goes out the next day. Also going to be a value email. And then the next day, email number 3 that goes out, it's going to be a sales email. So there you can start to let the client know that they can book a consultation with you, book a face-to-face with you, online call, anything like that. So then you can put it in there. If you guys have received value from this and need any assistance, please book a call with us. Here's the link to our calendar, or just give us a call to book a free consultation, and so on. So then you guys can put that in the sales email. And then after this, we go back to the value emails. Then another article, a little YouTube link, or anything like that just gives value for the next 2 days. And then the last email that goes out, it's going to be another sales email. So 2 value emails, sales email. And then in there you can do the same as what you did there. You can just put a little link in there so people can go in your calendar, book a free consultation with you. Say if people need any help, they can contact you, and so on. So guys, you can see the email autoresponder is basically do the marketing for you. It's going to do the branding for you. People are going to know who you are, and so on. So when you call them at the end of the sequence, people are going to know who you are, they're going to know what you're doing, and they're going to receive a lot of free value from you. So you've already built the trust and you've already built the rapport. Okay, so what I would always recommend clients do is after the sequence went out, you have 2 options where you can go, or 3 options where you can go and call clients. If you're a company that has salespeople in-house and are really active, the first day when they come in, when the welcome email goes out, then you can literally call them and tell them a little bit more about yourself, and can you help them out? You saw they downloaded your free guide or watch your workshop. Can you book a free consultation with them? Then you can call them around there again at the sale emails when it's going out. Just offer exactly the same as what's in the email. Can you give them any free advice? Can you help them out? Can you book a consultation with them? And a sale name 6. Okay. Then guys, so basically the objective is this, is to get a face-to-face with your clients or have them book a call with you. That's it. Then you can go and continue the sales process from there. So then you've already reached the objective of the email autoresponder. So what softwares can you use for this type of system? So there's hundreds of them out there. I'll tell you what we've used personally. The first one is MailChimp. So MailChimp is really easy to use, and you can get up to 2,000 leads in there. And it's for free, but it's very limited. The automation workflows are a bit difficult to use. You have to literally go and type everything out. You can create nice workflows for you. But if you want to go and use a free option or the budget method, go and use it. It's completely free. When I got my first few clients, I was using MailChimp and it works great. So the next one that we currently use is ActiveCampaign. So ActiveCampaign is a bit more expensive, but I've tested everyone around there, MailChimp, GetResponse, yes, 3 or 4 of the other ones that I've seen online when they're coming up. And ActiveCampaign is the first one that I've actually used that the automation and workflow is really simple to use. It's easy for clients to log in there and check their leads, but I must also say MailChimp is also very good for clients to log in and check the leads in there as well. So ActiveCampaign, you're going to have on the lowest package, you're going to be able to collect 500 leads, and it's going to be $15 per month to use. But ActiveCampaign is really good to use, so I would really recommend, if you have the budget, use ActiveCampaign. I love it. I will not change to any other service provider at the moment, but if you're on a budget, go and use MailChimp.